Hello children, welcome to Gokulam. This is for preschool learners worksheet activity. Beginning sounds. Look at the pictures. Color the star red that makes the beginning sound. Fan. F for fan. F-A-N fan. B-F-N. F for fan. Color the star red in color. Color the star red in color. Look at the picture. Color the star red that makes the beginning sound. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. What beginning sound? A. A for apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Color the star red in color. Apple. What is this? Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Color the star red that makes the beginning sound. B-A-L-L. B. B letter is here. So color the star red in color. Color the star red in color. The beginning sound of a letter. B for ball. Van. V-A-N. Van. Look at the picture. Color the star red that makes the beginning sound. V-A-N. Van. Color the star red. V. Beginning sound. The first letter is V. Next. Car. C-A-R. Car. C. Color the star red in color. The beginning sound of the letter. Beginning sound of the word. C-A-R. Car. Color the star red that makes the beginning sound. C-A-R. Car. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. H. Beginning sound. Beginning letter. H. Color the star red in color. H-A-T. Hat. Color the star red. H-A-T. Hat. Beginning sounds. Look at the pictures. Color the star red that makes the beginning sound. F-A-N. Fan. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. B-A-L-L. Ball. V-A-N. Van. C-A-R. Car. H-A-T. Hat. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.